So I've been a loyal On Running fan for years. I always say that it's the worst possible shoe I can't stop buying. They feel incredible on my feet, but within 6 months of daily wear, they'd wear out, and I'd be back buying another pair. Here's the thing, I've switched. I'm now testing a German brand called True Motion, and honestly, they've nailed the same comfort effect and maybe even better. And now that I've left On Running, I'm wondering, what were they doing to retain me in the first place? And that brings me to this video. So Pascal, a product designer from Zurich, reached out asking if I could run On Running through Rapid Visual and look at their business model. So today I'm zooming in on one dimension and one dimension only, customer retention. Here's what the AI saw. On's got strong emotional appeal, comfort, cool tech, good brand, but there's zero friction if I want to walk away. No membership, no lock-in, no personalized experience, I'm just buying shoes. Now, the AI rated their customer retention model as weak. Basically, you like it or you leave. But then it generated a killer suggestion. Instead of just selling shoes, what if On launched an annual membership called the On Performance Club? You'd pay upfront. In return, you'd get automatic shoe refreshes, exclusive drops, performance tracking tied to your actual shoes, even invites to events. That's not just brand loyalty, that's switching costs, right? Right now, I left On Running with no hesitation, but if I'd been inside a system like that, I probably would have stayed. So that's the kind of insight Rapid Visual throws at, fast, strategic, and sharp. I'm turning this video series into an open experiment. If you've got a company you want to see analyzed, drop the URL in the comments. I'll run it through Rapid Visual and show you what AI would change if it were on your strategy team. Whether you're a founder, marketeer, or just curious, it's open season. Drop your business below and I'll see you in the next teardown.